How to add multiple photos on a Snapchat story. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add multiple photos on a Snapchat story. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your screen and then you need to swipe up on the screen. Then you will lead to the memory section. Simply you can either select any images from home, camera roll, stories or my eyes only. If you tap and hold on particular image and from here you can easily select multiple photos and images. And once you do that you need to tap on the arrow button at bottom right corner of the screen. Now under stories you can select my stories to friends only or you can also make this story public and once you have selected, you need to tap on arrow at bottom right corner of the screen and once you do that, you will successfully add multiple photos on a Snapchat story. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.